Hello and welcome to this InvestGlass Monday Power Boost. I hope you had a fantastic weekend and you're ready for more automations with InvestGlass. If you don't have an account yet, go to investglass.com, click on Try It for free, and you'll receive a 14 days free trial of InvestGlass, the Swiss CRM. InvestGlass is all about automation, as you know. So now let's build a private equity portal together. First, you should have obviously your InvestGlass account, then click on signing and go to your portal. Once this is done, you'll see that you have by default a market page on InvestGlass. You might say, yes, but I don't want to call this market because perhaps I'm selling real estate or perhaps I'm selling private equity and then it's not markets but investments. For that, go to your setting displays and simply here in the display, change the name of the market's label. As simple as that. Then you'll tell me, yes, but my deals, there's nothing. How do I create them? Well, first, there are a few things you should take in consideration before you start building your investment portal. The first thing is, what do you want to show there and which fields do you want to show? As you definitely know, into InvestGlass, it's possible to create your own fields. It's very simple, just go to My Account, Company and Custom Fields, and then set up the field's visibility. For instance, I want to show the company summary here. I click on Edit, and now there's a new option called Show at Market Page. Click Update, and now when I'm going to edit my security, so you create a security, you edit it, I'll be able to update some contents. So here, for instance, description, mandate, jurisdiction. All right, so here, for instance, I'm going to put United Kingdom. Okay, and you see all those fields that you're entering will be displayed on the market page. So company summary, I think I selected here, okay, forestry. So I'll say forest industry specialized into carbon contracts. All right, and then simply click on save. Now let me refresh this page. So you see this is the default security page. Let me refresh it. And now you'll have the photo of this industry. Fantastic. You'll see also the yield, the jurisdiction, and the company summary. Now, to show those securities into your client portal, as you might know, you should have an InvestGlass client portal. If it's not the case, let us know. We'll activate it. And then you have to make sure also that you're carefully using the visibility of securities. What is this? Well, with the InvestGlass system, it's now possible to say this security will only be visible for a client segment and not for another client segment. This is very useful if, for instance, you want to create a portal and tease your investors before they actually sign any type of NDAs, before they sign complex contracts. For that, it's very simple. It's the tag that you will put on the security, as well as the tag that you will put on a contact that will be used to narrow the scope and only show securities to the right investors. To activate this option, please also go to settings, and into the settings, make sure that you activate this option, client portal sharing, for the market page. Share if contact tags and security tags are the same, right? You have to enable it. And you see, in less than 5 minutes, you build your own private equity portal. I hope you enjoyed. See you next week for another InvestGlass Power Boost.